focus. Riverview Health. Bright size. Bright care. Right here. Learn more at riverview.org.
Hey, it's producer Will here for Window Nation. Vacations look more like staycations this year, with most people looking to reinvest their vacation dollars back into their homes. Window Nation is here to help you reinvest your dollars where it counts. Until July 4th, they have reduced pricing on all window styles by 50%. They'll also defer your payments for 2 years with nobody down, paying nothing for 24 months. While it may not be a view of the ocean, Window Nation can promise you a better view of your home that puts your dollars to good use. Their energy-efficient windows provide year-round benefits that save you higher energy costs in the summer and the winter. New windows also add your urban feel and build equity back to your home. All CDC guidelines are strictly followed throughout the entire process to ensure maximum safety. So call Window Nation at 866-90NATION or go to windownation.com to schedule a free in-home or virtual estimate and see why over 65,000 homeowners have chosen the perfect fit. Window Nation. Invest in better view with 50% off and no payments for 24 months. This offer ends July 4th, so call Window Nation now.
The Goddard School offers the best childhood preparation for social and academic success. Learning for fun, learning for life at the Goddard School. Visit GoddardSchool.com.
How your car is